Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to create custom commands Discord. So guys, at first go to your browser and tap on the search bar and search MEE6.xyz. Now tap on login with Discord. Tap on authorize. So guys, now select the server where you want to create custom commands. Tap on continue. Tap on authorize. Ensure that you are not a robot. Now tap on custom commands. Tap on active custom commands. Now tap on new custom command, and here you can select any one of the first two options. So I am selecting this one. Now from here select your channel and write your message here. You can also add embed, or you can also add another actions. And now if you tap on these options, and from here you can add command descriptions like role permission and channel permissions. And guys, if you want to change your channel name, then you can tap on this pencil icon here. Now write your channel name here. And guys, make sure to use exclamation mark before the command name. And after all this, just tap on save and close. So guys, as you can see, I am successfully created a custom commands. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.